5 Natural Home Remedies for Kidney Stones. A kidney stone is a hard, crystalline mineral material formed within the kidney or the urinary tract. The urinary tract includes the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. Kidney stone is also known as renal calculus or nephrolith in medical terms. Kidney stones are known to be one of the most painful medical conditions. Kidney stones are normally filtered through the kidney and exit our body through urine. Sometimes, due to dehydration, the salts don't dissolve and crystallization takes place. These crystals grow large enough to obstruct the renal ducts or get stuck in the ureter, causing sharp and severe pain in the urinary tract. There are many causes for the formation of kidney stones. Dehydration is the most common factor. Drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily keeps yourself hydrated and reduces the risk of kidney stones formation. Diet and hereditary factors are also related to stone formation. The pain caused due to stones can be very severe and typically comes in waves lasting from 20 minutes to 60 minutes. Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. How to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. By following some simple natural remedies, you can help soothe the discomfort of kidney stones and speed up the body's natural healing process. 1. Basil leaves. Basil leaves, tulsi, is generally good for the overall health of the kidneys. Mix 1 teaspoon of juice from basil leaves with 1 teaspoon of honey and drink it daily in the morning. Chewing 2 to 3 basil leaves also helps in easing the kidney stone pain. 2. Watermelon. The water and potassium content of watermelon is an essential ingredient for a healthy kidney. Watermelon helps in regulating and maintaining the level of acid present in the urine. Eating watermelon or drinking its juice daily will help in the natural dissolution of kidney stones. 3. Tomato juice. Drink a glass of tomato juice with a pinch of salt and pepper every morning. This helps dissolve the mineral salts in the kidney and prevents the salts from forming further stones. 4. Kidney beans. Kidney beans, rajma, are an effective home remedy for kidney-related problems. Remove the seeds from the pods and then boil the pods in purified hot water for an hour. Strain the liquid and leave it till it cools. Drink the liquid several times throughout the day to ease kidney stone pain. 5. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in citric acid that helps break down calcium-based kidney stones. Drinking 2 to 3 glasses of lemon juice daily will increase the volume of urination and the natural removal of stones through urine. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.